I'm Kelly Hurtado, and I am the Superintendent, CEO of the Rose Academies. The purpose of Rose Academies is to serve students ages 14 to 21 to provide them an alternative education. We serve at-risk students. We also provide students who are looking for another option to the traditional high school approach. The website and the marketing are important to the Rose Academies because that's how we get our message out to students. It's how kids hear about us, why they want to enroll. Everybody's looking to those things to find out more information about what we offer, what we're about, and so those things are really important for us. CS Design provides us our website. They help us with pretty much anything and everything. What I really like about CS Designs is that Wyatt and his team have come in to really get to know what we do. I've never had an organization like his that could come in and basically write content. He can basically take a gist of what we are wanting to say, wanting to message out there, and they run with it. They make it better. One of the things that CS Designs has done specifically in our website is made functionality where students can go get more information. There's a chat function as well as there's an Enroll Now button. Those things have led to more immediate answers for students so that they can decide if we're the right fit for them. I would recommend CS Designs to anyone. I think Wyatt and his team really get to know what you do, what your business is about. They take a deep dive in trying to understand what it is you're trying to achieve, and they're really helpful in being able to kind of help you achieve that. So it's that personal touch. They have a personal touch in which they get to know what you're doing. It's not at a surface level. He has people on staff who could write an entire marketing campaign because they know who we are, they know what our mission is, and they're passionate about making sure that we are able to achieve that.